Hey guys, you ever saw a hard drive before? Okay, this is the thing that it puts all the memory in. These are the chips. There's one right here. There's a chip there now. There's lots of chips. And look, that green stuff is circuits. Now those are fragiles. And look at those little things. See, don't touch them. Those are the power thing bobbers. And that's just a label. Let's look at the front where it's got the brand. Okay, well, one thing is I went to the Maxtor website, but it said that Maxtor is now Seagate, which means if you go to the website www.maxtor.com, you're probably going to get a message that says Maxtor is now Seagate, and then you'll have to go to Seagate.com. And look, fragile. That means you can break it easily, if you don't know that. 3, 2, 1.